Let's go.
Hey guys, this is Harshala. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I shopped quite a bit from SBL and I already have few things in my closet already from them. So I thought it would be great if I just like do outfits of the week. But there's a twist. The twist is that I would be only wearing clothes from SBL for a week. So I have a lot of things to do this week. Like I have to go to college, I have to go for an event, I have to attend YouTube Fan Fest. So a lot of things to do, just so you know. So let's see how the outfits serve my entire week. And if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, so today is day one of me wearing clothes from SBL for a week. So as you can see, I got a lot of things from there. Yeah, for today, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sit down and film a video, and you know how it is. If you are a YouTuber or you know how YouTubers work, is they wear something really nice and fancy on the top, and bottom they don't really care as much. So I remember I ordered this really cool top which looks like this. I think I'm gonna wear this since it has a really nice neckline, and because you're in front of the camera, I think necklines really do make a difference. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead with. I just got done doing my makeup and now I'm just gonna sit and film. So I'll show you guys once I wear this, and that's my day one outfit. I think it looks really nice. I'm wearing it with these pants which are high-waisted, and I really like it. Really like the neckline as well. Hey guys, so I just got done filming, and now I'm headed to just meet few friends. Actually, I'm going out for a coffee. So I thought, since I'm doing this wear clothes from SBL for a week, I thought it would be a good excuse to actually change into a different outfit. So I'm wearing the same top from earlier, which is this one. I've only changed my pants. These are the pants that I'm wearing. I really like them, and I think it looks really nice with this top, and I really like the neckline of this top. I think it's very feminine and very nice. Also, please excuse how sweaty I am because it's very hot in Mumbai right now. Also, I have just paired these golden earrings that I have with this necklace, which is my favorite at the moment. So yeah, that is how that looks. I almost lost the track of days and I don't know what day it is, but I do know that today is YouTube's creator camp and I am very excited to be a part of it. So I have an outfit in my mind already. That is, I want to wear something that's semi-formal, that's not too casual and not too formal. That is because you know, YouTube is my like workplace, and I know however cool it is and YouTubers can wear whatever they want to wear, but I still wanted to make it look pretty like semi-formalish. So I am gonna wear a semi-formal outfit. I already have it in my mind, so that's what I'm gonna wear. I'm pretty excited for today. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wear these pants. These are my absolute favorite pants. So if you guys are on a lookout for formal or like just like semi-formal pants, you should definitely give these a try. I'm in the size small and they fit me really nice. Actually, to be very honest, I absolutely love SBL ka bottoms. I have spoken about it in almost all my videos. They are really good. I am so surprised and shook by the quality and the fit. It's really nice. If you get your hands on like the right size, I am damn sure you wouldn't regret it. It's really good. And to go with this, I am gonna go ahead and wear this top, which I wore in my last video as well. And so many of you guys asked me where is it from. It's from SBL again, and this is a crop top. That's why I want to go for semi-formal. These two together would look really nice, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear. So it's officially day 2 of me wearing clothes from SBL for a week. So for today, I don't have much to do on my list, on my to-do list. So all that I'm going to do is edit a video, and then I might go out later on and meet a friend. So for that, I thought I'll just go ahead and wear this animal printed top. To go with this top, I don't really have pants as such that I got from SBL or would look good with this particular top. So I'm just going to go ahead and wear a pant from my own closet or just wardrobe that I have, like a black pant, and then I'm just gonna wear this. And I genuinely really like this top. This is one of my favorite tops at the moment. I really like this. The fit is really nice. Yeah, the only problem is this might get, because there's a slip that comes with the top, so it is attached and it is not like a separate top altogether, so you know it can get a bit messy and like confusing when you wear it. But other than that, I really genuinely like this, so that's that. So it is day 3 of me wearing clothes from SBL, and for today I have to go to college because I don't go to college, but I have to go to college because I have to collect few documents since I am a pass out and I didn't even attend the degree distribution, so I have to go and collect my degree, and that's why I'm going to my college. And because I am in an engineering, I was in an engineering college, it's not very like, I mean there's a particular dress code that you have to follow and you can't really like show off and all that. So for that I have this one top from SBL, and I also got these jeans from SBL. It's my first time actually trying out their denims, so I don't know, let's see how that goes. I think it's like okay for my college thing, since I mean this is fine. This is not like a lot of skin show, I'm sure, because people wear like off the shoulder tops. About pants, I mean they are okay, like the overall fitting is fine. I'm in the size 10. When you buy things from SBL, size 10 is a small, I think. This is how they look. They look pretty good, but the only problem is, so you can see there's like an extra fabric here. I'm not really a fan of that. I mean, I don't know, that is what usually happens with me every time I am shopping for pants or bottoms, and I am a bit disappointed with how they look. I thought they would fit me perfectly fine even here, like they fit me fine overall, but I don't know, around my waist it is very loose and there's just like a lot of extra fabric, so I'll have to do something with that. So I obviously can't go like this out, but since I'm doing this I'll have to, so I'm gonna go keep my backpack on throughout so that the extra fabric doesn't show. But yeah, overall this is how it looks. Not bad, but yeah, the fitting could have been a little better for the pants. For the top it's really nice, I like it, it's pretty unique, I haven't seen such a design anywhere, it's really nice. So yeah, for the top, but the pants could have been better. Today I have an event to attend, and I have this top from SBL that I'm so excited about, which looks like this. Wait, I'll give you a better view. Let me just put my camera. Yeah, so it looks like this. It has a cutout in the middle and I think it looks really fancy. I think I'm gonna go in with nipple tapes, so because like that's like the only sort of bra or undergarment that I can reach out to at the moment. I mean for this, I'm very excited to wear this. I'm gonna pair this with this pleated pink skirt that I got. I think these two would look like really nice together, and I think they're perfect for an event that I'm headed to. So that's what I'm gonna wear. Guys, so I just got done with the event. This is what I'm wearing, these earrings and the heart necklace, and this is the top. So the top is like, it has a lot of cleavage action going on, so if you're not comfortable with something like that, then I would suggest not to go for it. And about the skirt, I would like to mention one thing, that the skirt has no lining, though I don't think so it's see-through in any which ways, but yeah, just wanted to put it out there that it has no lining. So if just in case if you think that it's gonna, you know, have a lining inside, it won't give you, I mean it's not see-through, so it doesn't even matter. But yeah, so that was it for my video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. We are so close to 20k and I can't really wait to hit 20k. It's been unreal and it's been crazy, so please let's just quickly get to 20,000 subscribers. And yeah, that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.